What's the meaning of credibility? Credibility. Credibility.
Credibility. Credibility. Credibility refers to the quality of being trustworthy or believable. It is a measure of the reliability and credibility of information or sources of information. Credible information is more likely to be accepted and trusted by others, while information lacking credibility may be dismissed or ignored. Factors that contribute to credibility include objectivity, expertise, and reputation. Maintaining credibility is important in many fields, including journalism, science, and business, as it can impact the success of projects or initiatives and the ability to build relationships and trust with others.